Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, October 28th, 2021, and the U.S. stock market is closed. If you watched my video yesterday, I said that, the Dow formation yesterday started high, came down here, closed absolutely on its low. And if you look at that chart with traditional technical analysis, you would expect today it was going to open lower and go possibly quite a bit lower. Uh, but I said in the Biden bull market, nothing makes sense. And it would probably be due just the opposite. And that's exactly what happened today. The Dow opens higher and diddles along here and then had a very strong finish, closing almost on its high there. So the Dow ends up finishing up 240 points and reversing a majority of the downside move from yesterday. Okay, we had a so-so day. We had come in with only 4 positions, and we had positive $15,000 on the close yesterday. Yeah, in this crazy market that we've been suffering through, our profits were cut almost in half, and we closed out positive $8,500 from our where we were on yesterday. 15,000 goes to 8,500 on our close. And then we got into 7 new positions. Only 2 are positive, 5 negative, and we're carrying negative $3,700 overnight and going into tomorrow. I want to show you what the problem was. And again, this is a repeated problem that we keep having. This is IRNT, which is Iron Net, and we bought this on a re-entry in the middle of the day. It just screamed and screamed and screamed, and up here on top, this is up $21,000, and I was real hopeful for this because they didn't jump on this. They allowed this to close very high, but they started jumping on it in the aftermarket yesterday afternoon, and then more in the pre-market. And by the time we got out down here, we had seen $21,000 shrink to $5,000. And this is what's killing us. And to refresh your memory, let's go back 3 days or so. And this is GROM, which is Grom Social Enterprises. And we had bought this midday on the 21st. And on the 22nd, it screamed up here on top. This stock, this position is worth $43,000 for us, and it collapses pretty much. And when we got out on the 25th, we only had $5,000 again. Both those huge outlier trades went to $5,000 by the time we exited. Hey, listen, here's the problem. I kind of pride myself on being able to find the stocks that do these huge breakouts and have these high profit potentials, but they have to stay up there for long enough for us to take profits, and it's just not happening lately. We have the whack-a-moles come in and just push these things down, and we can't get a breakout with any follow-through. And without these outlier trades, hey, we're not going to make it. This year, which has been a tough year for us, but in January and February, we had over $300,000 in profits because of these outlier breakouts that we have taken. But since the end of February, we have had only one big outlier in July, and that's it. One outlier in July, and that's it. And that's why we are doing so miserably, and why I'm so upset just these last few days with seeing two potential big outliers just crushed to nothing. Anyway, sorry for the rant. This is Trader Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on Freaky Friday.